I'm Anand Prakash, teach psychology at Delhi University. And enjoy taking out my understanding of psychology to the world of practice. That's the fun part of my job. Live in ivory tower and enjoy in world of practice. So often face the challenge of applying something which is being positioned as something theoretical and conceptual. Enjoying also the moment I am not sure what I am going to do, the uncertainty. As a teacher, I love being very certain when I am teaching the class. I must know my topic, I must have prepared, and also I deal with a familiar audience. So there is a greater deal of certainty and there is a greater deal of comfort. But when I go to such situations, I am not sure how this topic will unfold because syllabus is not written. Reading material is not finalized. Examination question papers are not known. And even I am not familiar with you. You are not familiar with me. So is it going to be quite a tension-provoking experience for me? And to my friend Dr. R.K. Singh, who is faculty at Shri Ram College of Commerce and Deputy Dean Academics at the University of Delhi. I don't know how he feels. Both of us have decided to be with you to deal with the issue of coping with uncertainty. Or rather getting ready forever and always to deal with the uncertainty. I don't know how he is going to feel about it. I'll invite his comments. Let me quickly set the agenda. The agenda is that we are going to be dealing with this topic. I am trying to carve out certainty out of uncertainty. One of the steps I am going to do. So if there is uncertainty as to what will happen, then it is a very privileged position for me. Then I am going to decide what will happen. Had it been a certain syllabus would have been written, I would have spent more powerless and I would have done more correctly work. So I am going to decide the agenda. So we will be dealing with the idea of certainty. And I will be talking about coping mechanisms with the available time and resource available to us, that how do you cope as an individual and how do you cope as a group member or as an institution member. These are the two roles that is in my mind. What do we do as an individual when we are dealing with the uncertainty? And a lot of issues will emerge depending on you feel engaged with the issue and you feel its relevance in your own life. Does it mean that we have to have the openness of mind? And if I am always open, will it take away my confidence? My confidence only works when I am in a very familiar situation. So how do I strike out a balance between being open and being confident? Issues like this, many more, what other issues will? So for me, broad agenda is to invite you to get engaged. With this topic, that how do we cope with uncertainty, particularly when uncertainty becomes frightening. All uncertainties are not frightening. Some uncertainties are exciting as well. Right? And we all know, the younger minds know it in one way, the older one knows it in another. It's like being in love with an unknown person. Very uncertain situation, but how exciting it is. Those of you who have ever loved know it. When it becomes too familiar, you also know that what it does to us. So it is exciting, it is depressing, it is frightening, it is fear-evoking. How do we understand that what it is doing to us? So that we come out with the right kind of responses from our side to hit the nail on its head and say that now it's driven home. So we'll do some bit of it in one day. The other bit of it that if it is to be eliminated, and I am always find myself into some kind of a relational matrix. And when situations around me, institutions around me, people around me are behaving in a completely uncertain way, right? Market is going in all kind of a direction, regulations are changing, right? Institutions are undergoing. Then what best can be done, what kind of prescriptions can be arrived at by mutual consensus. These are the twofold objectives in my mind. The rule of the game is going to play is very simple. And right in the beginning, we all have to agree with that rule. Because if there is going to be an organized playing, it can only be regulated by a rule. Rule is a regulation. What are the rules that we are going to follow? We are going to follow a very simple rule. The first rule is that, and which is for myself, and it's equally true for you. You are responsible for your learning, I am not. If you have not been able to understand anything, I am not responsible. Because I don't know what you consider important, relevant and learnable. And I refuse to position myself as a God to know the truth and know your mind. I don't know what you want. You also have a vague idea. I don't know what I want. So it is very important that you take responsibility of your learning. मैं तो अपने स्टूडेंट की भी नहीं लेता हूँ क्लास में, इनको मैं रोज पढ़ाता हूँ। मैंने कहा कि इतने बड़े हो गए, बड़े जैसे तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी मैं कैसे ले लूँ? मैं तुम्हारे घर गया था एडमिशन दिलवाने, तुम आए थे एडमिशन लेने, पढ़ने की जिम्मेदारी खुद लो, लर्निंग खुद लो, सवाल पूछो क्लास में। How can I be responsible for your learning? Yeah, please come. Hi sir, welcome. See, guest is welcoming the host.
Please continue.
We can have then. Please परिचय तो, शर्मा जी परिचय तो दी. No, nothing completing, sir. I am just trying to set the rule for the process so that we all are playing the game by following the rule. So please take the responsibility of your learning. It means that you will ask. If you value yourself as a participant, that your learning is important, your time is precious, your energy investment looks for ROIs, ask questions, take trouble. Right? Don't expect कि मैं आपके मन की भाषा समझ लूँगा और आपकी उम्मीदों पर खरा उतरूँगा, इतना चमत्कारी भी नहीं हूँ। इसलिए जो भी मन में इच्छा है कि ये चीज़ नहीं समझ में आ रही है, ये चीज़ होने वाली है, ज़रूर पूछिए, आती होगी तो बताएंगे, नहीं आती होगी तो आपके साथ सहयात्री बन जाएंगे, आपके साथ एक्सप्लोरेशन में चलेंगे, भागेंगे नहीं। पर आइए तो सही, पूछिए तो सही, हैं? सिर्फ बैठे रहिएगा कि नहीं जी ये तो समझ में नहीं आया, समझ में नहीं आया तो कंठ खोलिए, मुंह से बोलिए, and then participate, take the risk of exposing yourself. Move away from certain ground to the uncertainty. So the second rule is that first take the responsibility of your learning, and related with that the second rule is that please participate. We are divided here time 60 and 40. 60% time is yours, 40% mine. So more you participate, more data you supply, more challenges you throw, right? The more enriching experience will get created. After all, it is some kind of a soft skill. और soft skill की shelf life बहुत कम होती है, पर जब टिकती है मन में तो चिता तक साथ ले जाती है. That's why it is called soft skill. It needs continuous reinforcement because it requires changing of thinking, changing of mindset, experience of enabling. And experience of enabling is created in the spaces which has been formulated as a result of habits of mind. Habits of mind have been created, उसी में थोड़ी जगह बनानी है आपको नई learning के लिए, but if it takes place, it will stay with us. So please participate, learn, and come out with your own experiences because you all are knowledgeable in your own right. So for me, each one of you has its own resource. Someone acts like a miser who is not willing to share, and some of us become profusely generous. So we share. I would invite you to be generous, profusely generous, and keep sharing. Right? So these are the very three. Are you with me that these three rules are okay to play? So it is a learning contract between you. क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ उतना ही फैसिलिटेट करूंगा जो आपके पास है. जो आपके पास है मैं उसी को कुम्हार जैसे चाक पे बर्तन संवार देता है, मैं उतना ही सिर्फ हाथ लगाऊंगा, पर आपकी मन घूमना चाहिए और आपकी मिट्टी थोड़ी मिट्टी होनी चाहिए हाथ हम लगाने के लिए. बहुत कड़ी मिट्टी अगर आपकी हो गई है और घूम नहीं रही है, गतिशील नहीं है, मन आपका स्थिर है, तो घड़ा बड़ा नहीं होगा, मिट्टी संवरेगी नहीं. दो शर्तें आप रखिए, हम हाथ लगाने को तैयार हैं, और कब छोटी मिट्टी घड़ा और कब बड़े बर्तन बन जाएगी आप देखते देखते रह जाएंगे, नज़र आता है. क्योंकि मेरी भी मिट्टी ऐसे ही बनी है, किसी ने पीट पीट के मुझे नहीं बनाया, बस हल्के से हाथ संवारा, हम बनने के लिए तैयार थे, गतिशील थे. So these are the three things, and I am very happy to see that you all are here with me on these three rules, and if you are going to follow. So I expect each one of you to be your own resource share so that it is made accessible to all of us, and all of us can participate and ultimately, because each one of our mind is very unique. One example cannot suit everyone. So I can give one example and it may suit to everyone. That I don't believe in. So what will suit you, what will be acceptable to you in a form of formulation, right? This will only be made accessible to me if you participate. So this is the second rule, that please participate, make it your own workshop. Don't tell that this workshop is Anand Prakash's workshop, because it takes me whole full semester to my own student to make them call, किसकी क्लास है, वो हमेशा ये कहते हैं AP सर की क्लास है. मैंने कहा बच्चों आज से इसको अपनी क्लास कहना शुरू करो कि ये हमारी क्लास है AP सर के साथ. Take the ownership of that class, right? With these words I invite Dr. R.K. Singh, right, to say something about himself and to do the expectation of it. या अनसर्टेनिटी से कोप करने के लिए सर्टेनिटी का एलिमेंट पहचानना जरूरी है, क्योंकि उसी सर्टेनिटी से हम अनसर्टेनिटी की तरफ जाते हैं. क्या है वो सर्टेनिटी का एलिमेंट जो हमें अनसर्टेनिटी को डील करने में मदद करता है? सबसे पहले तो उसको पहचानना, और वो दोनों जगह है. इट इज ऑल्सो विद इन वंस ओन सेल्फ, द वे वन थिंक्स एंड रिलेट अबाउट इट. What is that within us which is certain, and what is in the setting, situation or context which is uncertain? So coping with uncertainty, one of the first major point theoretically is that you cope with the uncertainty of a given situation by first anchoring yourself within the certainty and then moving toward uncertainty. How it is being experienced? Saying theoretically I have said it. Conceptually you also have, at least cognitively, relate with it. यहाँ ठीक है, बात ठीक लग रही है, पर एक्चुअली में ये कहानी एक्शन में खुलती कैसे है? हम हमेशा इस बात का अभी स्ट्रगल करते रहते हैं कि कॉन्सेप्ट, इफ देयर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट, देन इट शुड ओपन अप इन माय एक्सपीरियंस, देन ओनली it will create a sense of empowerment in me. If concept is only there in my mind and it is not opening up in my experience, then it does not become my own tool. And since it is my tool, it will not be available to me when I need it. How it is happening? Because in each individual, in each group, it may be happening in one way. Because uncertainty takes us to the dealing with uncertainty takes us to the different kind of a dimension, which is also the idea of belief in oneself, trust in oneself as well as trust in others. And when I trust in others, what kind of a risk I run? Trust in others is a huge challenge. And when I am trusting others, am I also running the risk? Because if my trust is betrayed for once, I will betray at least twice. But suppose I am become one of those, had this not been uncertainty, there would have been no game of gambling. पूरा excitement uncertainty का ही होता है gambling. Throwing dice is also game of uncertainty. And human mind always been very inquisitive that how it deals with uncertainty and become predictable. ये पूरी probability की जो theory है वो gambling से ही निकली हुई है. Gamblers den से, क्योंकि कोई ना कोई आदमी इसको कंट्रोल करना चाहता था कि throwing dice it can be controlled, but unfortunately so far no mathematical modeling has been evolved to find out that only the binomial, the probability, binomial probability, if you say that, has been worked out that if you throw it 100 times or throw it 1000 times, the probability would
finite number of times.
Yeah. So it is the again approximate formulation of the uncertainty. So what we are going to do, and how the groups individually as well as collectively. Because individually mind is never sufficient, it always look for validation from other minds. कि मैंने ऐसे सोचा ठीक है कि नहीं है. और अगर चार माइंड्स उसको एग्री कर जाते हैं, चार लोग उस बात के ऊपर एग्री करते हैं, तो दैट गिव्स अस मोर appropriate confidence, much better confidence of dealing with the uncertainty. Right? We are going to do it through a game which I request Ritesh to, RK Singh